we also have what's called advanced search available now. If you click on this right inside of here, you can do some really cool things. You can say, hey, I want to know any fly message that doesn't have the word angel inside there, or investor, or accounting, or sales, or meeting, whatever it might be. I'm looking for anything that has this title. I'm looking for any fly cut that has this phrasing. Maybe it's dash new customer, or create it within a certain time frame, or only fly messages that actually have an attachment or a hyperlink. So you can actually sort now with advanced search. And let's just say I'm looking for only messages that have an attachment on it. That might be, as an example, a picture, and voila, there's a picture right inside there. So that's an attachment. So it's showcasing all of the things that are inside here under advanced search.